CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. tracert. The tracert command, short for traceroute, is a network diagnostic tool used to track the path that data packets take from your computer to a destination host. It shows each router, or hop, along the way, including the time it takes to reach each router, helping identify where delays or failures occur in the network route. Imagine you're sending a letter through the mail, and you want to know every post office it passes through before reaching its final destination. The tracert command does something similar but for data packets. It sends packets to the destination and records each router, or hop, that forwards the packet along the way. To use the tracert command, you simply type tracert followed by the domain name or IP address of the destination you want to trace. For example, to trace the route to google.com, you would type tracert google.com and press enter. In this example, the tracert command shows the route taken by packets to reach google.com. Each line represents a hop, including the round-trip time in milliseconds for each of 3 probes sent to each hop. The IP address or hostname of each router along the path is also displayed, allowing you to identify where any delays or issues might occur. The tracert command is particularly useful in identifying network bottlenecks. If you experience slow network performance, tracert can help you pinpoint where the delay is occurring. By analyzing the time taken for each hop, you can identify if a specific router or network segment is causing the slowdown. While the previously learned ping command can tell you if there's a delay, tracert can show you exactly where the delay is happening. Additionally, it is invaluable for troubleshooting connection issues. If you cannot reach a particular website or service, tracert can help determine where the connection is failing. By seeing the last successful hop, you can identify whether the issue is within your local network, with your ISP, or further along the path. Unlike ping, which just tells you if the destination is reachable, tracert provides a step-by-step path to diagnose where the connection stops. Lastly, tracert helps in understanding network topology. It provides a visual representation of the path data takes through the network, helping you understand the topology and relationships between different network segments and routers. By understanding and using tracert, you can gain insights into the paths your data takes, identify points of failure or delay, and understand the structure of the networks you interact with. This complements the ping command by providing a more detailed view of the network path and identifying specific points of failure. So, next time you face a network challenge, remember to use tracert. It's your tool for mapping the journey of your data. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.